So Sharon, how do you keep your cool when things are actually starting to kick off?
Regulate yourself first, they said. It will be easy, they said.
Yeah, but that's not in real life. When you've got kids screaming, you've got the dog eating food off the ground and he is chaotic, and you're trying to stay calm at the same time, it feels like it's impossible.
I'm Sharon Collon. I'm a credentialed ADHD coach and parenting consultant.
I'm Jane McFadden, educational neuroscientist, and Sharon and I are mums and we are professional chaos wranglers. We know that real life doesn't come with a pause button. And that is why we've created this workshop, which is called Regulate Yourself First, but not with 3 kids screaming. This is about giving real tools to real parents.
In just 1 hour, we'll share practical strengths-based strategies you can use right away, even when you're running on coffee and hope.
Coffee and hope is the staple to my diet. But on top of that, you are going to get real scripts, co-regulation hacks, and a community of other parents that actually get it. This is no judgment, no fluff. This is real tools that you can use in your family right now.
Can't make it live? No worries. The replay's yours for 6 months. Watch in your pajamas at midnight or while hiding in the pantry, we won't judge.
We definitely won't judge. And if you are ready to swap overwhelm for I've got this, then click on this link and save your spot, because I guarantee this is going to be fun and full of laughter. This is not a super serious, boring workshop. Sharon and I definitely do not run those.